the general concepts, they're going to be the same. So if you are a financial analyst, you do that for a while, you realize you don't like that, and you switch over to become a staff accountant, which is kind of like the entry level accounting position for people that graduate with an accounting degree. You're going to be able to do that job because guess what? As a financial analyst, you're going to be using data that staff accountants prepare, and it's gonna be if you're a staff accountant, you're gonna be using data that's prepared by financial analysts. So it's you kind of like get the skills in both on both sides. So it's pretty easy. But if you move up to to getting a CFA, right? If you really really love finance, when you get to that level, that means that is pretty focused, right? So if you get to the level where you're getting a certification like a CFA, it's gonna be a lot harder to go back to accounting. At the same time, if you get a CPA, which is the certified public accountant, that means you're really really focused in accounting. So it's gonna be a lot harder to switch into finance, but you're gonna be able to understand the general ideas. So the two degrees. It doesn't really matter. You can have an accounting degree and work in finance. That's fine. You can have an accounting degree and work in finance. I work with a lot of accountants that do finance, and there's a bunch of finance people that actually do accounting, like staff accountants and things like that. So those are the if you're thinking about job